Hi, Blue Group. This is Blue Sort 14. You have 4 patterns this week, so you'll need 4 different colors. Your patterns have 2 sets of base words and then 2 sets of endings, adding to your base words. So we're first going to start with our first base words, and those first base words are going to end with a CT. So we're looking for our base words that end with CT. For example, collect. You hear the collect, CT. Protect, protect. Select, it ends with the CT. Construct, I hear the CT. Connect, and subtract. Okay, those are our base words. They all end with ECT or ACT or UCT. So they all end with a CT. Okay, so here's what we're going to do with those base words. Go ahead and switch colors. We're going to add an ending, TION. Here's the thing. You're not really adding the T because it's already on the end. You are just adding the ION. When you add it, now you don't hear the collect. Now you hear a shun sound. For example, you go from collect to collection. The T kind of now makes the sh sound. Protect to protection. You can't even almost tell that the T was there. You went from select to selection. Hear the shun sound. You have subtract, and now you have subtraction, TION. You had connect, and now you're doing connection. You had construct, and now it's construction. You don't say construction, it's construction. You kind of just blend it, makes the sh sound. Okay, so you don't really add the T, you really add ION, but it changes how you spell or you say the word. Okay, let's do our next set of base words. So go ahead and change colors. We're going to do our next set of base words, and the base words are going to end with SS this time. So for example, express, or discuss, or oppress. If you oppress something, that means you kind of smush it down. You don't let someone say something. You kind of don't listen to them. Oppress. Possess. If you possess something, that means you own it or it's yours. Impress. I think you know what that means. And confess. So all of those words end with an SS. Go ahead and switch colors. We're going to do the same thing. We are again adding an ending. This time it's not TION, it's SION, but it does the same to the sound. It makes the shun sound. So we went from express to expression. You went from discuss to all the way down here, discussion. Makes the sh sound. You went from oppress to oppression. Possess to that's my possession. Impress, we have impression. And confess to confession. So your ending changes this how it says the word, how you say the word to a sh sound. Really, what you need to think about is the words that end with a kt and the s, and then think about how to add the ending. Blue Group, take your picture. Make sure you're studying.